3D Animation: How to Fight Cavities, the Complete Filling Guide. In the United States and Canada, nearly 90% of adults have experienced at least one cavity. But what does the repair process actually look like? Welcome to Dental Vision 3D, where we bring you the most detailed cavity-filling animation on YouTube. Today, we are breaking down the cavity filling procedure animation to show you how modern dentistry saves your smile. Understanding this process is the first step in learning how to fight decay and maintain your oral health. The process begins with cavity filling removal. Using high-precision tools, a cavity-filling dentist clears away the decayed tissue to reach healthy dentin. For many, watching this tooth cavity-filling animation provides a satisfying cavity-filling ASMR experience as the tooth is meticulously cleaned. It is important to note, while you may see DIY trends online, attempting a cavity filling at home is extremely dangerous and can lead to severe infection. Professional care is the only way to ensure the tooth is sterile and sealed. Once the decay is gone, the filling begins. This dental cavity filling animation visualizes the application of a white tooth filling, or composite resin. This material is popular in North American clinics because it bonds directly to the tooth, providing strength and a natural look. We use a specialized light to harden each layer of the filling, ensuring a durable result that can withstand the pressure of chewing. How do you fight back against future decay? The best cavity is the one you never get. In the US and Canada, dental associations recommend a prevention-first strategy. Use fluoride toothpaste, floss daily to disrupt the biofilm, and avoid frequent sugary snacks. By watching this cavity-filling animation, you now know the science behind the chair. If you found this tooth cavity filling animation helpful, please subscribe to Dental Vision 3D. Let us know in the comments, when was your last checkup? Stay proactive and protect your smile.